Hello guys, welcome to the Information Star channel. The Andromeda Galaxy. The Andromeda Galaxy, also known as Messier 31 M31, is a remarkable celestial object that has fascinated astronomers and stargazers for centuries. Here are some more details about this spectacular galaxy. Number 1. Closest spiral galaxy. Andromeda is the nearest spiral galaxy to the Milky Way, located at a distance of approximately 2.537 million light-years. This makes it a close cosmic neighbor. 2. Spectacular appearance. The Andromeda Galaxy is easily visible to the naked eye from Earth. Its elliptical shape, spiral arms, and bright nucleus make it a stunning sight in the night sky. 3. Size and structure. It's a massive galaxy, even larger than our Milky Way, with a diameter of about 220,000 light-years. It has a central belt, a prominent bar, and beautiful spiral arms filled with star-forming regions. 4. Rich history. The Andromeda Galaxy has been documented throughout history. The Persian astronomer Al-Sufi mentioned it in the 10th century. It was later catalogued by Charles Messier in the 18th century. 5. Merging destiny. One of the most intriguing aspects of Andromeda is its impending collision with the Milky Way. In about 4.5 billion years, these two galaxies will collide and merge into a single, larger elliptical galaxy, often called Milky-Dromeda. Beautiful name, right? 6. Gravitational interactions. The gravitational interaction between the Milky Way and Andromeda will lead to significant changes in their structures. Stars are unlikely to collide, but their distributions will be altered. 7. Astronomical studies. Andromeda is a crucial target for astronomical research. Studying its properties, such as star formation and dynamics, helps scientists better understand galaxies and their evolution. 8. Galaxy's local group. It's the largest member of our local group of galaxies, which also includes the Milky Way, the Triangulum Galaxy M33, and more than 50 smaller galaxies. 9. Telescopic exploration. With advanced telescopes like the Hubble Space Telescope, astronomers have captured the stunning images of Andromeda, revealing intricate details of its structure. 10. Celestial showcase. Andromeda continues to be a prominent object in the night sky, attracting amateur astronomers and serving as a testament to the vastness and wonder of the universe. Andromeda's close proximity and fascinating characteristics make it a subject of great interest and research in the field of astronomy. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this type of content and found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.